Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax returns for e-commerce. First, it is crucial to understand your specific tax obligations. This involves determining your business structure, like a sole proprietorship or an LLC, and obtaining an employer identification number if necessary. You must also identify all applicable federal, state, and local tax requirements, including registering for sales tax permits in relevant states. Next, accurate record keeping is absolutely essential for e-commerce businesses. You need to meticulously track all sales revenue, including any payment processing fees. Categorize every business expense, from inventory purchases and shipping costs to marketing and website fees. Always keep your personal and business finances completely separate. Using dedicated accounting software can greatly simplify this process. Now, let's talk about identifying valuable deductions and the correct tax forms. Many e-commerce businesses can deduct expenses like home office costs, software subscriptions, and advertising. Sole proprietors typically use Schedule C to report their income and expenses. Remember to consider deductions for professional services and website hosting. Consulting a tax professional can provide personalized advice for maximizing your savings. Finally, it's time for filing your return and ensuring ongoing compliance. Make sure to file your federal and state income tax returns by the designated deadlines. If you anticipate owing at least $1,000 in taxes, remember to pay estimated taxes quarterly. Always retain all your tax records for a minimum of 3 years. Regularly review your tax strategy to adapt to your business's growth and any new regulations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.